3uTools. 3 is a comprehensive tool for managing and customizing iOS devices. It provides a range of features that cater to both casual users and advanced technicians. The software allows users to manage files, photos, music, and apps on their iOS devices, making it easy to transfer data between devices and back up important information. One of the standout features of 3uTools 3 is its ability to jailbreak iOS devices, which unlocks additional customization options and allows users to install apps and tweaks not available through the official App Store. The software also includes a variety of system maintenance tools, such as the ability to clear cache, remove unnecessary files, and optimize device performance. Additionally, 3uTools 3 provides detailed information about the device, including battery health, storage usage, and system logs, which can be useful for diagnosing and troubleshooting issues. The software also supports flashing and firmware updates, allowing users to easily update or restore their devices. The intuitive interface and comprehensive feature set make 3uTools 3 a valuable tool for anyone looking to manage and customize their iOS device. Whether you need to back up your data, jailbreak your device, or perform system maintenance, 3uTools 3 provides a reliable and user-friendly solution.